How to make perfectly matched French hook earring wires. Today we're making French hook earring wires, also known as fish hook wires. Handmade earring wires can really elevate your jewellery, and once you get the knack, they're quick and fun to make. Take some round silver wire. Anything from 0.6mm to 0.9mm works well. And measure 2 lengths. Mark them with a pen or a scribe, then cut the wire using a pair of snips. Next, we're going to make a granule on the end of each wire. This is not only a nice detail, but it will help your earring stay in place. Hold your wire in a pair of reverse action tweezers, flux the end, and heat it up with your torch. The end of your wire will start to melt and form a perfect little ball. Remove your torch when you have a ball that you're happy with, quench your wire, and repeat with the other one. The trickiest bit here is to make 2 identically sized granules. Once you're happy with your granules, anneal them both and pop them in the pickle. Once out of the pickle, create a small loop using a pair of round-nosed pliers. Hold the wire firmly at the ball end, turn the pliers moving the granule in towards itself, and make a small loop. This is where your earring will sit. Then find yourself a round tool. I like to use a dapping punch, but use whatever you can find, and bend the wire around the tool, making sure to keep the granule facing outwards. Using a tool to create this loop will ensure your hooks are identical every time. Bring the ends almost together, then use a pair of flat-nosed pliers to create a kink at the end of each hook. Straighten the wire at the point just above the kink you've just created, and make sure that both of your hooks are nice and flat by giving them a squeeze with a pair of flat-nosed or parallel pliers. It's important that your earring wires don't bend out of shape and have a good spring to them, so pop them in a barrel polisher for at least half an hour. The barrel will work harden the silver and, as an added bonus, they'll come out beautifully shiny. And voila! Perfectly matching, entirely handmade French earring hooks, ready to display your earring creations.